Okay, interesting. So with AI, I think the biggest fear with AI is that AI will replace the physician,
Yeah.
will replace the clinician.
Yeah.
And I think that it hinders the adoption of it to some degree, correct? And so, what reassurance can you give me as a nephrologist or as a doctor um, that it won't do that? Or how's about this? How will AI actually be implemented in care?
So my job in our renal AI, at least the AI that we work with,
Yeah.
is to support the nephrologist, the clinical manager, and the care team to make better decisions and
Yeah.
give them better information to make better decisions. So no human can see 2 years worth of bloods or BPs or anything like that. The AI brings all that together and then gives options to the physician. It's always down to the physician to make the final call.
Yeah.
You know, you guys went to 4 years of med school and whatnot. But the beauty is we have the same fears when we were training clinic managers and nephrologists with innovative renal care. And once they saw the technology, they could dive in and actually see what it could do. And they could say, oh, Mrs. Jones, I knew she was off. My gut knew it was off.
Yeah.
But now they have the reasons for it with these predictions.
Yeah.
So it's the technology is just validating that gut or that intuition or that training.
So it's really meant to supplement
Yeah.
medical decisions,
Yeah.
right? Give a doctors another tool. It's not to actually replace them
No.
and say, we're going to make a decision for the patient.
Let me give you an example.
Yeah.
You're flying from New York to London, okay, on a 747.
Yeah.
Do you want to be on the plane that the pilot is only flying, the computer is only flying, or both? I know I want a fail-safe. I want to be on the plane that has both. And that's how I see it.
That's an excellent example. So